Be ready. Start. As a judiciary is independent of the executive, it can easily safeguard the rights of the citizen to ensure peace and harmony. However, its role is not just limited to this. It plays different roles to make sure there is a smooth functioning in the country. Firstly, it plays a great role in making new laws. Judiciary is the rightful interpreter of our constitution as well as the current laws. It has the power to create new laws as well as overrule policies that might violate our constitution. Furthermore, the judiciary also prevents any form of violation of the law. Similarly, it files a lawsuit against the person found guilty of doing the same. After that, a judge passes his verdict after listening to both parties closely and announces the judgment accordingly. Moreover, it also acts as an advisory body. It happens more often that the executive or legislature seeks help from the judiciary to clarify issues regarding the constitution. Moreover, the judiciary decides upon the constitutional questions. For instance, if there is a dispute between states, they are brought to the Supreme Court where it decides how to interpret the constitution on the basis of the ongoing dispute. In addition, it also looks after the administrating bit, like it is responsible for appointing officers, maintaining records, administrating staff, and more. More importantly, the judiciary is the protector of fundamental rights of the citizens. Everyone has the right to fundamental rights, however, sometimes people try to take them away. Thus, the judiciary ensures no such thing happens and lets every citizen live with harmony. A judiciary is very crucial in upholding a democracy like ours. As we all know, cases of injustice against people have risen nowadays. There is unjust discrimination happening, and the judiciary must step in to stop all this. Therefore, it becomes important more than ever to help people feel safe within their own country and homes. Judiciary checks and balances the ones who have power. This helps in preventing people from misusing that power. In short, in today's scenario of our country where crimes are happening rapidly, people turn to the judiciary for justice. Thus, we see how it is so very important that judiciary remains just and empowered in the times of darkness. Sometimes it remains the single ray of hope for people, which is why it is needed more than ever now. The judiciary plays a major role in a democracy. It safeguards, it safeguards the fundamental rights of the people. Further, it makes new laws and ensures to punish anyone violating these laws. It also administers and appoints officers. The judiciary is more important than ever now because injustice against people has risen to a great extent in our country. We need to monitor the people and punish them for their crimes so everyone feels safe and included. India, being the largest democracy in the world, known for its judiciary as highly impartial, independent from executives, and most importantly, strictly following the principle of Sir William Blackstone, that is, it is better that 10 guilty persons escape than that one innocent suffer. Historically, India being the place for numerous race, religion, and caste of people. They adored different types of customers rituals, eating habits, living in different types of geographic, landform, and climatic conditions. It is a Hercule's task to provide a fair, impartial, and transparent judgment that is successfully performed by Indian judiciary irrespective of rich, poor, racial, and religious domains. Everyone has expectations from judiciary for fair judgment, which is proved by judiciary at different times through different watershed verdicts. Judiciary has constitutional safeguards and powers to deal with the case of vulnerable sections of the society through enforcement of fundamental rights and writ jurisdiction by high courts and Supreme Court. The biggest hurdle to get justice through the judicial system in India by the poor is that it highly time consuming and cost of judicial procedure. Extremely high fee demanded by highly qualified and experienced advocates, those are out of the purview of poor section of the country. In spite of these, there are intellectual people like Supreme Court advocate Prashant Bhushan who select the case on the basis of ethical and moral principle than the capacity to pay by the client. This is a hard fact that one or two people can't help to provide justice to the lakhs of people that are not able to get justice due to directly or indirectly having economic problems. There is a saying in Indian villages that if someone got involved in the court case, then he will surely going to lose all the property that he have secured through generations. The main reason for timely justice is the limited number of judicial institutions and judges. In Indian judiciary, as some study says, there are about 25% posts of judges are vacant. That ultimately increases the time of trial. Recent government came with the idea to establish district level judicial courts to deal with petty cases to provide timely judgment and reduce the burden of higher court so that they can deal and give sufficient time to high level cases. Stop.